Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at JOBNIMBUS. So basically this is a platforms for contractors. It's specialized in this. Now if we go to their official website, we can see that we can start a free trial. Now here we're gonna have to simply enter our work email and the password and then simply click on next. Now as you can see, we get 40 days free trial, no credit card required. So basically here we're gonna be able to add all the contractors, the jobs that needs to be done, the contacts. So basically this is like a Trello app, but for working, for work, things like that. Now, as you can see, if we go to features, we can see that they have marketing, billing, sales, communications, production, and integrations. Now let's go to pricing. And as you can see here, we're gonna have to request the pricing based on our business. So simply click on that button and then we're gonna have to fill this form and then click on talk to us. So basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.